Yes.
No.
Yes.
Why? I'm not in the vehicle.
I'm stopping you.
I'm not in a vehicle. I don't have a front plate.
How many cars don't have a front plate?
How many cars? Hold on. Look right here.
Those are right.
Nothing's going on. I happened to walk down this. I was coming from the hospital way, which I thought was the hospital, and I told the dude, he scared the shit out of me. He came out of nowhere.
Yeah, I have a question for you, officer.
What's that?
What's your name?
My name is Lieutenant Consul.
Okay, Lieutenant Consul.
Yeah.
Was there any reason why you were trying to stop me in a parking lot over there?
I wasn't trying to stop you until after you left.
Okay, so
Plate in your car. You cut through this parking lot.
I didn't cut through the parking lot. I came over here to park in the light because you chased after me.
I didn't chase after you.
You chased after me.
Were you fleeing from me?
Were you chasing me? Because you came out of that parking lot almost sideways.
You have a license.
Yeah, I do.
Where is it?
I mean, look, does it look like I got a license on me?
Right.
Come on, man. I come to get my dinner, and that's it. I'm going home.
This is the second time that you on your own decided to approach me when I wasn't even messing.
I didn't approach you. I went to go get my
What do you think
food.
you're doing now?
I went to go get my food.
I understand that.
Okay, so how are you saying
you're
second time?
Now you're being
Second
stopped.
time?
Yes. What's your name? Stop.
Man,
Stop.
for what?
I'm stopping.
What are you stopping me for?
I just told you you don't have a front plate. You cut through this.
I don't have a spot for a front plate. I don't have a spot.
It doesn't matter in the state of Oregon.
Okay, well, I'm from Georgia, sir. I don't know.
So where is your license?
Let me get my license, baby.
So what's your name?
Yeah, we have eyes on her.
What's your name?
Because you...
Feels like you're harassing him.
I mean, I feel like I'm being harassed. Look,
This is
dude,
the second
look,
time
I'm going to tell you what it is.
She went to go get his.
I understand that. I wasn't even talking to him when he got out of his car.
Yes, you weren't. You said there's no reason to get out of your
That's
car.
what I said. Now
And I said, yes, there is. I'm going to get my
So
food.
twice now you've approached me.
No, once.
see your
Once.
license.
Because you come sideways out of this parking lot.
Let me see
Come
your
on, man.
license.
It's called harassment.
There you go. There's my license.
Hand it to me.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Why? I'm not in the
I'm
vehicle.
stopping you.
I'm not in a vehicle.
I'm
What
not
are you
sitting
stopping
here
me for?
arguing with
What are
you.
you standing?
I'm stopping you.
Look, you're sitting in a park. Look, you are a hazard. You're a hazard.
I know
You
what-
have no lights. This is not a traffic stop. Come on, baby. Come on. This dude here is fucking tripping. You tripping, man. Here. Yeah. Here. Oh, now you got a light. Now there's lights. Oh, yeah, sure.
Get out your license.
What are we doing?
I'm stopping you. Get out your license.
Now he's harassing us. It's all good. Here, baby.
Get out your
What are you
license.
stopping me for?
I've already told you.
No, you
I'm
haven't.
not going to tell you again.
What did you tell me?
You don't have a front plate.
I don't have a front plate.
How many cars don't have a front plate?
How many cars? Hold on. Look right here.
Those
That car
aren't
doesn't have
driving
a
on
front
the road.
plate. That car doesn't have a front plate.
Those aren't driving on
That
the road.
But you can sell them.
Yeah,
So if you can sell them, so you can't drive them
operate
off.
them on the
Come
road.
on, man.
Says
Don't
who?
harass folks. Don't harass folks. That's
No,
all I'm
get out
saying.
your license.
No.
I'm giving you a lawful order. Get out your license.
You're giving me a lawful order for
Yes.
what?
To get out your
Why?
license.
Why?
I've already explained.
I'm
it to
not
you.
in a vehicle.
You are under arrest.
For what?
No.
Are you serious?
No.
No, you're not serious?
I'm totally serious.
Really?
what?
For what?
For what? For
Stopping
what?
you. I've given you a lawful order. You're operating a motor
You
vehicle.
are
You
all
need a license.
wrong, buddy.
And
all
you know
wrong.
it.
Here.
Let me see your
No.
license.
Put the cuffs on. Come on.
As soon as
Put
car
the
gets-
cuffs on.
It'll be going on in a minute.
Come on, man.
So you have to wait for somebody else because since
for
when?
what? Because
If he's
what?
breaking the law, he's not doing nothing wrong.
What are you doing?
So we're gonna go
Call
get.
your back up.
Yeah.
Come on.
You look a little shaky, buddy.
Yeah.
God.
You look a little nervous, bud.
For no
I ain't
reason.
feeling it. Call your supervisor.
Why are you getting
I'm the
angry?
supervisor.
Call
Well,
your
fuck,
supervisor.
everybody has a
I
supervisor.
want your
Everybody has a supervisor.
Now. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor.
No.
Yeah.
Why not? Well,
You see that?
what's
Hey,
their
you
name?
got
What's
that,
his
don't
name?
you?
Yeah. What's his
Okay.
name? What's your
Refuse the
supervisor's
supervisor
name?
One more time.
Because my
Please call the
supervisor's not
supervisor.
working right now.
Please
Okay, well,
call
what's
the
his name?
supervisor.
What's their
You'll
name?
get it when we're done here.
Well, why
You'll
can't we
get
have it now?
Because that's not what we're doing right now.
It is
Right
because
now.
I feel unsafe and I don't
Get
like
that
how
from
you.
me.
And
You don't need to be
I'm not-
unsafe. You don't need to be.
I feel you can't tell me what to do.
Actually, I can.
No,
Yeah?
you can't.
How?
We didn't
Why?
do anything
I would
wrong.
like your supervisor's name because I don't feel like you are being a safe
You
person.
can call and make a complaint all
Then-
you want.
Then let me have the number.
You can
What's
look
your
it up.
supervisor's
I'm dealing
name?
with him right now. I'm not dealing with you. You can wait for that information.
Okay, so
I need a supervisor on site right now.
No, they're not.
I need a
working.
supervisor on site.
You can wait. You can wait.
Ain't happening, buddy.
Yeah.
Ain't happening. I need a supervisor, sir. He's already refused. No,
Are you
no,
for what?
no. Why?
Seriously?
Yeah,
He is out of control. This is ridiculous. We were going to get dinner.
This man here is out of line. I'm not even.
Flying Club, we'll sit down over here.
You're out of line.
All right.
You are way out of line.
This is such bullshit.
Yeah. It is. It's bullshit.
It is.
This man doesn't come
Big man
harassing
complex
me
for no
for my
fucking
dinner.
reason.
No, you don't get my ID. This man right here can have my ID. You are harassing me.
Are you failing to present your ID?
No, it's right here.
Hand it over.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
We weren't even stopped.
I stopped.
What do you call this?
Well, now, yeah, sure, but we weren't even driving when you finally pulled over when you're already in the middle of the parking lot or the street
Bullshit.
with no lights on.
From the fucking Chinese restaurant right there getting my dinner.
Yeah.
And the man rolls up on us talking about, you don't need to get out of the vehicle. I was going to get my food. The lady come out the door with my food. And this man's just, and then he comes sideways out of the fucking parking lot behind us.
The noodle.
Right next to the food court.
The noodle house.
Barbecue noodle house. Got the dinner in there.
We don't know. We haven't had a chance to eat yet.
Craig. This is real dumbass shit, man. I got PTSD because of freaking people like y'all. Man, I done been to prison. I done my time. I don't do well around y'all. I mind my own business.
Can we turn the light off at least? I mean, it's not like it's a big, huge ordeal. Oh,
I came here to park in the light so we could videotape you. Park in the light so I could videotape what was happening. Park in the light. That's all I was doing. Make sure y'all don't hide in the shadows.
Wow.
This is fucking retarded.
Oh, we got another one. You want me to?
Here. This shit is dumb as shit.
You understand, like, we don't know anybody from Adam, so.
Don't what?
But all
We don't
I
know
was
anybody
doing,
from Adam, right?
I got
Right, but we weren't doing anything wrong.
And when I looked in the rearview mirror, this man was coming out sideways out that parking lot behind
Wanting to pull us over for no
And
reason.
then he just stops right here in the middle of the road with no lights. Talking about this is a traffic stop with no emergency lights. This is a traffic
He does now.
I got video where he just sat there.
You want to see it?
Come on, man.
Okay, well, I just wasn't sure.
This shit's dumb. I need a supervisor out here. For real, I need a supervisor.
What would you say if there was a supervisor here?
So you're on probation. You're on felony probation.
You're fucking full of shit.
Yeah.
You're full of shit.
No.
You're not
No.
driving without a license. That's not you on felony probation.
Maybe fucking 5-8 years ago.
Craig Jeffrey Harrell.
Yeah. I done told you who I am.
Yeah.
Fucking on felony probation. You better goddamn check that shit again.
Why don't you just calm down? Man?
I'm calm, Bo. You
For a
stopped me
single
from getting my
second.
dinner. I'm hangry.
From the very second that I
hangry.
first saw you when you jumped out of your car the first time.
To get my
the second
food.
time when you whipped
To
this
get my
Yeah.
food.
and jumped out
To
of your car
get
the
my
second
food.
time. So
To
what
get
was
my
this all
food.
about?
To get my
Go
food.
ask the lady at the
The lady
restaurant.
come out
She
the
came out
door,
with the food,
and I went to
and
go
he
get my
thought it was
food.
approaching him.
I
and we
just
were
jumped out of my
shit.
vehicle. Nah.
I can hear one
What
person
was
at a
Sorry,
time.
but this is
Nah,
getting to
man.
be
What was this one
bullshit.
about?
Because
You were being an
was
asshole.
running up behind me.
How was I being an asshole driving down the street?
You went
fucking
flying
come
down
out
because you
sideways
can't
on my
exactly.
ass.
What was the point of coming out when we were
Come
coming
on,
out?
man.
Unless you're being a dick.
Yeah, I would have just parked in fucking AutoZone. I know, because it's private property.
You had no license.
Come on, man. I do. I ain't even hearing it.
You don't. I'm looking at it.
Hey, you're looking at the wrong shit. I got paperwork showing that I paid mine. I ain't hearing it. You go ahead and say whatever you want to say. Your computer's wrong. I got paperwork. Find my phone for me, please.
Can you not dig around in the car, please?
Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't even think about that. My bad.
My
Sorry.
bad. My
That
bad.
helps me. Again,
No, I get it. I
You
get
don't know
it.
me.
I got you.
Keep each other
My
safe.
bad.
I get it.
My bad.
Mhm.
Yep.
Shouldn't even have. My bad. This shit's stupid. This shit dumb. Hey, you seeing police harassment? Somebody video this shit. I do have a license. I can go.
Whatever. You do.
My phone.
So whatever.
I got all the paperwork. I'm fine. I know I'm good. I ain't on no probation. I ain't on nothing. Been a free man for quite some time.
Do you have a license?
Yeah.
Can you drive then?
Yeah.
Then please do so.
Okay.
Like, you wouldn't even be here if you weren't jumping out of your car.
He was getting his food. God.
Man.
Getting your food here.
Fuck off.
No, but you said the first time he didn't jump out the first time. Remember? You said he jumped out the first time. No, we didn't. I'm done talking. I'm driving. I have a license. Bye.
Great. Good for you.
Yep.
Fuck
Oh, we
off.
will.
After everything that happened in the first video, the confusion, the confrontation, and the questions about who was really in the wrong, things take an unexpected turn in this next clip. Here, we meet a man who's just trying to explain himself to police after being accused of scaring someone on the street. What follows is a raw, emotional moment that shows how easily a misunderstanding can turn into a police encounter. Is this man just defending himself, or is there something more to the story? Watch until the end, and let me know in the comments. Was this a fair response from the officers, or another case of unnecessary escalation?
All right, Gordon, listen, I just came from the store, y'all. I walked up the hill, asked for the hospital. I walked up the hill, walked to the hospital, right? Then on the way coming back, a guy came out of nowhere. I just told him, he's cool, I had no problem with him. I don't even know him. But I just told him, listen, you shot the shit out of me. I was gonna have to protect myself because you came out of nowhere. I have a broken neck. I've been raped before. It's all noted. I've done nothing wrong except state how I was saying how from me being shocked. Nor did I make any threats to the young man. I just said, oh shit, I thought you was somebody else. I thought you was gonna harm me because you was super close. And I thought I was gonna have to protect myself. That's not true. When a person come out of all black one out of nowhere and they're super close, and you turn and you.
Stick in one of your bags for me, man.
Oh no! This is not a weapon. There's no points on it. This is the spiritual staff. I have a bunch of leaves and trees. And yeah. Let me put this in my bag. No problem. Listen.
So what happened at 7-Eleven?
Nothing happened over there. I just kindly told him, and I went on camera to tell him if you play the camera back. I did that on purpose, so there won't be this what we have in here. I kindly told the man, hey, you scared the shit out of me. I thought you was gonna attack me.
Which is understandable, right?
Exactly. That's regular shit. No, I didn't make no threats or anything. I just told him, listen, you scared the shit. No. I'm good. I'm on the sidewalk. I'm next to the road. I'm actually good right here. Basically what I told the man is, you scared the shit out of me. I thought you was gonna. Damn, I thought you was gonna attack me. Please let me know when you're walking by me next time because you scared the shit out of me. I started to turn around and protect myself. That's it. Nothing else.
How did you start to protect yourself?
No, I didn't start anything.
Oh, okay.
I told him next time when you're walking by somebody at nighttime, anybody, not even just me, make yourself known because you can scare a person and they can turn around and want to protect themselves. It's nothing big. We all good. Nothing's going on. I happened to walk down this. I was coming from the hospital way, which I thought was the hospital. And I told the dude, he scared the shit out of me. He came out of nowhere. I said, make yourself known next time, please, because I almost thought I was going to have to protect myself. Nothing bad. I guess he felt a way about me telling him that because everybody's used to walking close by each other. It's COVID-19, people getting robbed, people getting shot, people getting stabbed. But this gentleman just talked to me. He knows my name. I don't do anything wrong. He knows I'm out here. Listen, I don't want no problem.
I get you, man.
I got a broken neck, bro. Hold. I got a broken neck, bro. I don't want no problems. I just asked this man about the shelter thing, but I knew it's too late, so I can't go right now. They're going to deny me. They're going to tell me to come back in the morning.
So the only thing they ask is you don't go back there, okay? Because apparently you scared a couple of those guys in there.
Right? A couple? He was the only one coming from the top of the hill, bro. Literally, like this man. And I was trying to flag you down. I asked you one more question before I went over there because I knew it was too late for what you tried to look out for me to do. But that was crazy, bro. How I scared him. And I just told him, hey, when you walk behind somebody, make yourself know you scared the shit out of me. That's normal shit. That's normal shit, bro.
So, look,
that's normal shit.
Right now, they don't want to trespass you, but if you go back, they're gonna want to trespass.
Say less.
So just don't go back tonight. You'll get tomorrow.
I know the managers in there in the morning, so I'm not worried about it. And everybody knows I'm a humble dude.
I got you, man. So
I'm not gonna throw my.
Don't go back tonight, so we don't have any.
Say less.
Issues.
I'm not gonna have.
I don't want you to get in trouble. All right.
Say less.
So other than that, you're all good, man.
Say less. Yo, listen, and thanks for letting me know everything's good money.
Not a problem,
as far as I don't got nothing on my jacket, thanks for letting me know.
You're all good, man. Have a good night.
Yeah, and if I can't take it, listen. You might want to swing me a ride. No.
Where to?
The hospital. My feet is swollen. I thought it was up that way. Oh, so there's two hospitals. I was right.
There's one at Skylar Hospital. That's the one.
That's right there.
Yeah.
But the other one is that way, right there. The one when I start up the hill, I started to walk.
So there's one this way.
Where's the one this way?
I don't know what one you're talking about.
You go up that hill by the 7-Eleven. I was walking up there. I seen the bus take me up there before.
I mean, there's an ARC home.
That's not a hospital?
No, it's for disabled.
Oh, that's crazy. I thought that was a hospital.
I mean, I can take you out to Skylar if you'd like, or I can have EMS come check you out. Do you want EMS check?
How far is it if I walk?
Probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Is it before the DHS building?
No, so it's actually up 414. You know where that is?
Yeah, I might as well walk it if it's right there.
I mean, you can if you want. It's going to be a bit.
Hey, yo, listen. If I go there and for my feet being swollen, can they give me a voucher afterwards?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
can.
You want EMS to come check out your feet?
No, because I hate when they put that thing on my arm, they squeeze my arm with that thing, that blood
Yeah, blood
pressure.
pressure.
That shit be hurting, you heard?
Okay.
Nah, I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna walk.
All right, man.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
You already know, bro.
Both of these encounters show just how quickly things can spiral, whether it's a simple stop in a parking lot or a misunderstanding on the street. In both situations, ordinary people found themselves face to face with authority, trying to stay calm while standing up for their rights. What's striking is how tone and attitude can completely change the outcome. A few calm words can de-escalate tension, but ego, fear, or frustration can turn it into something much bigger. So what do you think? Were the officers justified in how they handled these situations, or did they cross the line? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I really want to know how you see it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more real-life encounters and breakdowns, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next upload.